here, and today I'm gonna be doing how to draw a cat girl, a cat enemy girl. So I prefer a pen, and I have my colored pencil. So let's begin. So we're just gonna kind of draw that head. Draw the cat ears. Not the best cat ear. I'm not very good at drawing, so yeah. Just gonna draw that hair. See, I kind of made the hair a little off, so sorry. And I'm gonna make her winking. So yeah. So yeah. Now we're off to the little top. You can tell I kind of made it like a little chibi. So yeah, it's a chibi. Forgot. Peace. Now you're gonna make that tail, and it's time for the colors. So I prefer green for the eyes. So and then kind of get like a little bit of yellow, just to kind of mix it in to make it look like a real cat eye, kind of. Not really, but you know what I do. Okay, and then I'm gonna put blue highlights in her hair, because I'm gonna just make it color. Now you can color your cat however you like it. This is just how I'm making my cat. Then this is what her actual color hair is gonna be. So yeah. So when you're done with the hair, then you're gonna move on with the ears. I'm coloring the same color as her hair was. Okay, now you're gonna color the inside pink, because yeah, that's usually how it looks like. Okay, so then when you get that done, you're going on with the little pink nose, actually. Okay, there. Once you have the pink nose, then you can make then you're gonna color the jacket however you want. I choose red, I guess, ruby red. Yeah, I'm not really gonna do the color of her skin, so yeah, that sounds kind of racist, but you know, sorry. And then I don't really know what color I want to make her shorts. So let's see. How about we use blue for her blue jeans? That is not blue, that is purple, but okay. Darn, colors always lying to me. Okay, so there we go. Okay. And then we're gonna make her boots. I prefer green, so I'm making her a kind of a colorful kitty, because you love colorful kitty. We love colorful kitties. Can't really pronounce whatever I'm doing. Okay, and then I'm gonna make the tail, kind of the end of it, pink, because yeah. Then the rest you can color the same color that was her hair. Okay. Okay, and there you go. There's a chibi cat. And I'm just going to put random little quotes, because why not? Like love or fab or something. Something like that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little draw-in video. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.